Hey friends, this is Asif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Verasity. Right now, Verasity is trying to break out the resistance of this down channel, and in today's video, we will take a look at this move. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis, and let me to begin with this daily time frame chart. And in my last video, we were watching that Verasity formed this down channel, and the formation was started back here on 25th of March. And so far, Verasity is not able to break out the resistance of this down channel. And we are also moving under the resistance of $0.0074. And these are 1, 2, 3, and 4 major support and resistance levels I've placed on this chart. And there can be some other support and resistance levels in the short term, but these are the major support and resistance levels for the long term. And we can see this $74 has been breaking as a strong support here on the weekly time frame when we had this drop. And after this support of resistance of $74 at $0.0074, we will have the next resistance here at 1.8 cents. And you can see for several weeks it has been working as a resistance here, as a support here, and as a resistance here. And then we will have the next resistance here at 3 cents. And you can see for several weeks it has been breaking as a resistance here, again worked as a resistance here. And after this rejection, we had this big drop that we had here in the month at the end of March 2022. And before that, for several weeks, this level has been breaking as a strong support here and as a support here as well. And therefore, if it will reach there, then it will work as a very strong resistance. And after breaking out this channel, our target is also here at 3 cents. And before that, we need to break out this resistance and 1.8 cents, and then we can expect that Verasity will hit this final target of 3 cents. Now, as I was telling you, that we are having a bullish divergence on this chart as the price line was forming. If I zoom the chart out, then we can see that the price line was forming lower than previous low. And if we take a look at the RSI here, then RSI was forming higher low than previous low, and there is a quite obvious bullish divergence. Now if we take a look at the price line here, then we can see that the price line is following this signal so far, and now we are out of the resistance. It is getting out of the resistance of this down channel. But we also have another resistance that I was showing you in my last video, that is the resistance of this downtrend line, and this support of this downtrend line we have here, and we have another resistance here, and this is the formation of the falling wedge pattern. If I remove the other trend lines of this down channel, then you can see this falling wedge pattern is very clear and easily visible right now. So we also need to break out this resistance of the falling wedge, even though we are out of this resistance of the down channel. And for example, if we will have the closing above this resistance of the down channel, then this breakout will be quite confirmed. But we still need to break out this resistance of the falling wedge pattern as well. The target for the falling wedge pattern will be here at the top of the wedge, approximately at 1 cent, and the target of the down channel is here, that we are having approximately here at 3 cents. Now if we switch to the 4-hour time frame chart, then here we can see it's moving down. We are completely in the downtrend, and here it has formed a diamond bottom pattern. Here we have the resistance for this pattern, and this is another resistance we are having here. And here we have the support for this diamond bottom pattern, and this is the next support. And this is, by the way, a bullish bias pattern, and it is possible that we will break out the resistance of this diamond bottom. And after the breakout of this resistance of the diamond bottom, our target to the upside can be conservatively, because I am ignoring some extra spikes, and our target can be here approximately at 4.7 cents. So we can hit 5 cents, sorry, half cents $0.0045 is our target, very close to the half cent. And in case of breakdown, we can move down to $0.0043. So next few hours, even movements can be very important for Verasity. We are at the very end of this diamond bottom pattern, and we are now having the support of this previous channel. If I copy this channel from here and going to paste it here on this 4-hour time frame chart, then we can see that right now we are having the support. We are having the support of this channel that was previously breaking as a resistance. You can see it was breaking as a very strong resistance, and Verasity was not able to break out this resistance every time it was getting rejected. And now Verasity is above this resistance, and now this resistance can work as a support. Therefore, there are more chances for the breakout from this diamond bottom pattern, and then we can expect that it will continue its move to the upside. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.